Market is currently dumping, but I think if it holds this, it can bounce. If not, I see it going all the way down to where was it that I wanted to go to, like 850. Nah, this was an Asia low sweep, bro. I called this shit out in pre-market. Bro, let's see if it happens ASAP. I think a break of 15 is clear range for a dumper. I don't know if I want to take that. All right. Well, I'll tell you one thing, guys. I really want to take a sell. Just don't know where to take it from. And I think I just want to get in now. I just don't know. Just gonna dump when I'm telling you. These equal lows here on ES. RR wasn't there for me. I still like for it to go down though. I see ES has equal lows. These are gonna have to get swept. I don't know where I want to jump in at. Like, do I jump in now that we popped up? Maybe get in the sell now. I just jumped in this. I just jumped in it right now. I just jumped in with a stop at 20. I waited for this up move to jump. Like when it was down here, there was no risk to reward on the trade. One thing I didn't like about it. Oh, we're looking good here. Looking good here. Need to just see ES hold, flip, and then I'm happy here. Need a hold and a flip, and I'm happy here. How did the chat send no messages for 2 minutes? Oh my god, like fucking got me looking away and fucking drawdown. Gonna have to SL here at 26, 13. Guys, the drawdown's not even that bad, guys. Like, what are we even talking about here? I completely look. I completely just waited. Here I put my I did this, which maybe when I did this, people thought it meant jump in, but I was just measuring my RR, and I said this is not good enough. So I didn't jump in the trade. And then I jumped in over here. What I don't like about it is, yeah, this is a midline tap here, but if it breaks through midline, I'm cookathon. Honestly, the way ES is looking is, I feel like NQ is giving me a chance to just close in green. I might close once ES comes to this midline here. I'm gonna take a partial and just pay myself. That's what I'm gonna do here. I'm waiting for ES midline. I'm gonna partial. We're just gonna pay ourselves. You know, it is the B-Day special. Hold on. Don't wick like that, you dirty bitch. Wow, it wicked out and refilled right back up. Here's ES topside orb, and we're sitting at midline. This is kind of confluence. Like, I would sell topside orb. ES fully broke out. Double tap, pay myself right there. ES fully back in. I already closed most of my position out. Yeah, I mean, I already paid myself, and I'm sitting 36 in profit. Oh no, my one micro is gonna get cooked here. Oh no. This is a full breakout. Oh, I'm officially out of the trade. There goes that. Damn. Trading, look what 11 twice. Finally just speaking some good knowledge here. Trading be the easy part. Not trading is the hard part. Correct. Exactly. You know you become a better trader when you're able to look at the chart and not trade. And I explain this shit. Like I explain this shit a lot.
Oh, welcome to a birthday special. Pay to plate, ladies and gentlemen.
You're gonna have that birthday McGreasy's.
Let's see it. Wow, the birthday gritty. The birthday gritty. We need a big birthday bite. Pay to plate. One huge birthday bite.
Oh my god. No.
Oh, how is it, Bobby? Hey, yay. Go llama. Yo,
that shit was magnificent. Look at that fucking explosion. Shit just went to work. Told y'all, just wait on it. Take that joint and you feel me? Nah, this was an Asia low sweep, bro. I called this shit out in pre-market. I said buying off Asia low. Market is currently dumping, but I think if it holds this, it can bounce. If not, I see it going all the way down to where was it that I wanted to go to, like 850. I didn't want, at this point, I didn't even take it. I really just want to get my McGriddle. You could honestly TP at 970. You don't even have to hold it all the way. I'm not in, guys. I'm literally sharing my screen. I'm logged into my trade of 8. If I was in, you'd see me in the trade. I didn't jump in. Need my fucking McGriddle in peace. And
hold on, no. Everyone pay attention. Watch Llama's screen.
What the fuck is this?
Look at Llama's screen, guys. Watch this. P2P, llama, red pajama, happy birthday cake. Let's go with the money. Let's go. Yo, that's a nice photo you got.
Yo, this is tough, bro. Thank you. That's amazing. Is this
No,
actually a cake?
No, you can eat everything but the 28 on top. The whole thing is edible. You can eat the money, you can eat everything except for the
Can I
28
take
on
a
top.
bite? No, wait. This is the actual buy this time, guys. Like for real. This is actually the buy this time, guys. Like actually. If anyone wants to take a trade, this is the actual buy now. Like, for real this time. This one's actually the buy, guys. I think I might even get in there. I'm in on this one. I'm in way before entry. All right, we're in 20 ticks in profit. I still have no entry criteria, but this was the actual buy. 786, and then ES gets the sweep. This one's way more confidence than this one. This one probably does go to the full price target of 970. We're up 40 ticks just like that. We're kind of exploding. Just let this ride. We need to blast through 95. We're up 60 ticks, guys. 70 ticks pushing. 70 ticks and rolling here. I'm trying to think, do I pay myself here or do I just hold this bitch the whole way through? LOL working. What do you mean LOL working? What is that? Well, I'm fucking working here. I'm taking it all the way up to 970, and if that breaks, I hold all the way to 23,000. This is, bro, I'm telling you, I talked about all of this 2 hours ago. Everything that I wanted to do today is what I like, you know? All of this shit is all accounted for. Everything is fully accounted for. What I'm gonna do is, bro, I'm already up 100 ticks. Breaking newer high. It really just looks good. Really just like, I might even just, I'm up 600 bucks. I'm up 600 bucks. I got in the trade right here. I even put on executions for everybody, and I'm on Tradeovate, so you guys can see this isn't no fucking paper trading. This is real deal Holyfield. And we're just looking good. We're actually just looking good. Like I'm actually just, I think what I might do is pay myself just a little bit. I partialed out. I'm gonna just pay myself. Boom, 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 just like that. 7 micros. We put 7 runners. Partialed out 3, 4 running. And I'm gonna leave 1 fully break even for the whole price, like for the whole move of 23,000.
Hello? I'm practicing discipline today. And then when I got in the car, I saw that the actual entry that Llama's in right now actually hit. And I'm like, fuck it. Let's just keep driving, not look at the charts, not do anything today.
What do I preach more than everything? I just seen you're a pay-to-player. I didn't even notice.
Yes.
What do I talk about the most here? What's more important than learning the strategy and all this shit?
Discipline. Discipline above all.
All right, then. What just happened? I missed the whole first buy-up. Didn't care because I said it's going to present itself every fucking day. And this one represented the same way. Look how the first buy was the NQ sweep. And I completely waited. ES does it now. ES does the sweep and I take the fucking buy. Just like that, yeah. I made 600 bucks in about 4 minutes. 4 minutes.
You know, I was looking at the same thing actually, and I didn't take it on the first one, but I do care that I missed it out right now, but I'll probably go on a run when I get home and then everything is fine.
You just gotta wait and see, bro. Look, you have access to 50 trade recaps. When you go look at them, you're gonna see they're all the same shit.
I know.
I look for the same thing every day. So if you miss it one day, that's fine. You just come back the next day, and the next day, and the next day. I tell people, bro, chase discipline, not dopamine. Every day, just chase discipline. Whether you're green after the day from being disciplined, congratulations. If you're not, who cares? As long as you're disciplined, you're gonna see more green days than red days.
Money missed is not money lost, right?
Red days. Money missed is not money lost. That's literally how. Yes, bro. Literally yes. I was like, babe. She's like, yeah, gingers are black. You didn't know that? It was a great day, guys. It was a great fucking day. I appreciate all the birthday wishes, guys. I appreciate everything. Hope you guys have a great fucking day. Hope you guys are actually, staying entertained, but also learning with us, guys. Hopefully you're fucking making some good chicken. It was a very patient day today. Very patient. I ended up this trade like up 50 bucks and didn't take another trade for another hour and a half. And just like that, my day was one and done. Put the execution labels on just for everyone to see exactly how we did entries. Partial, trail, transparency. Thank you guys. It was a great fucking day. And we'll see you on tomorrow. We'll see you on for Power Hour. Make sure to go tune in to all the sections we have here in the Discord. Make sure to tap in with all the, people we have here. And we'll see you tomorrow. It was a pleasure.